My first question, why one should learn machine learning? There are several reasons why one should learn machine learning. I have seen a frequently asked question on IRCTC website. Somebody asked a question, why advertise with adult videos or photos coming on his IRCTC page? Simply answer, because your interest that is possible due to machine learning. After this discussion, it will be clear. There are several reasons why one should learn machine learning. Machine learning is a skill of the future, and leading companies such as Facebook, Google, and Uber have made it a central part of their operation. Let's take an example. It is mind-boggling how Facebook can guess the people you might be familiar with in real life using. People you may know. This magical effect is achieved by using machine learning algorithm that analyze your profile, your interest, your current friends, and also their friends and various other factors to calculate the people you might potentially know, like facial recognition. Facial recognition to recognize your friends on social media, even under that thick layer of makeup like bridal makeup. But how does Facebook manage it? Well, if you have your text suggestion or face recognition turned on in Facebook, this means you have provided permission for facial recognition. Then the machine learning system analyzes the pixel of the face in the image and create a template which is a string of numbers. But this template is unique for every face, sort of the facial fingerprint, and it can be used to detect that face again in another face and suggest a tag. Facebook primarily uses deep learning based face recognition algorithm with its proprietary deep face system being on its most well known. Deep face introduced in 2014 convolutional neural network CNN architecture trained on millions on level facial image. Like you can see, this is your facial recognition or text suggestion, and deep face system is using, that is a machine learning system analysis is the picture of the face. Next, come to textual analysis. Facebook uses deep text, which is a text engine based on deep learning. Deep text has to understand many things like grammar, idioms, slang word, context. For example, if there is a sentence, I love April, in a post, then does the writer mean the fruit or the company? It's depend on the context, and deep text has to learn this. Next, targeted advertising. Did you just shop for some great clothes at Mitra or Amazon and then see their ads on your Facebook page? Or did you just like a post by Lakme and then magically see their ad also? Well, this magic is done using deep neural networks that analyze your age, gender, location, page likes, interests, and even your mobile data to profile you into select categories, and then so you ads specially targeted towards these categories. Facebook also partner with different data collection companies like epsilons, axiom, data logics, blue sky, etc. And also use their data about you to accurately profile you. Language translation. You only know Hindi. Never fear, Facebook has an in-house translator that simply converts the text from one language to another by clicking the C translation button. News speeds. News speed is decided on three factors: your friend, family, public figures, and business that you interact with a lot of given top priority. We will discuss deep learning and neural network. Our course, you can see here, deep learning and neural network, which contains artificial neural network, activation functions, convolutions, neural network, CNN, gradient descent, and backpropagation. Okay, come to how Google use machine learning. How Google uses machine learning. Google search has changed so much with machine learning. RankBrain uses machine learning to show relevant results based on past user behavior, even with never before seen search terms in 2019. But bidirectional encoder representation from transformer took it a step further and helped the system understand context, especially in natural language. You can see my web pages, natural language processing, NLP. NLP contains natural language processing, deep learning, bag of words model. Come to Google Maps. Machine learning is key to Google Maps real-time navigation by analyzing massive amounts of historical data and real-time inputs such as traffic speed, accident, and road closures. Google Maps predict the best route. The addition of reinforcement learning allows maps to adapt and refine its prediction over time. Reinforcement learning also a part of our course. Here we will study following algorithm: decision making, reinforcement learning, MDP learning, Monte Carlo learning, 3D learning, Q learning, Markov decision processes, multi-arm bandit problem, and UCB algorithm. Gmail improves user experience by utilizing machine learning in a number of ways: smart compose, smart reply, and to detect possible spam emails. Gmail spam filters mostly uses machine learning. Google Photos. Through image recognition and computer vision, machine learning helps the platform automatically categorize photo based on their content, like beach, dog, and vacation. Google Photos also leverage deep learning to enhance photo quality by adjusting lighting, focus, and color balance, creating more professional looking image with minimal efforts. If you use YouTube recommendation, you can see YouTube relies heavily on machine learning to recommend videos that mostly like to engage users. The platform recommendation engine analyze a variety of factors including watch history, likes, shares, and comments. Google Assistant has the capacity of understanding an individual comments in the natural language and replying to them properly. It integrates NLP and speech recognition to ensure that it understands what the user is saying and provides the right output. Slowly, the system develops its capability to comprehend various accents, variants, and follow-up question. So you can see Google Assistant, uh, NLP, and speech recognition are used for Google Assistant. Next point. Studying machine learning opens up opportunity to develop cutting-edge machine learning applications in various verticals such as cybersecurity, healthcare sector, image recognition, medicines. Okay, come to machine learning in the healthcare sector. Managing medical data. Machine learning is actually advancing the healthcare industry by implementing cognitive technology in order to unwind a huge amount of medical records. Medical diagnosis. With the help of machine learning and deep learning models, AI is actually revolutionizing the image diagnosis field in medicine. The one major application of AI in medical diagnosis is MRI scan, detecting diseases at an early stage. Machine learning play a very important role in early prediction of medical conditions such as heart attack and diabetes. Come to cybersecurity. Security is enhanced by using machine learning algorithm to analyze system logs, network traffic, and user behavior to detect suspicious activities that may indicate a security threat, such as malware and unauthorized access, like threat detection and prevention, vulnerability of vulnerability management, anomaly detection, malware detection, and classification. Machine learning helps increase efficiency, understand customer better, personalize marketing campaign, recommend product to customers, and detect fraud. How machine learning helps Amazon? E-commerce, Amazon. We have millions of users across the globe that have very different choice and an unlimited range of interest in various products considered to be the brands, price, size, shapes, colors, etc. So Amazon helps to store all the data in the database that their user search for the machine learning algorithm to learn from that data. So Amazon helps to store all the data in the database that their users search for machine learning algorithm to learn from the data in the database. Machine learning uses the purchasing history and pattern of the user and then relates to the fraud practices being carried out. Additionally, it provides specific targeted ads and recommendations to the user based on the tailored promotions of different type of electronics band. SEO. It uses statistical machine translator, which is a first way of saying that it analyzes millions of documents for search related queries. Actually, SEO is a search engine optimization. It's a technique to rank at the top in order to improve its productivity. Come to Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is another step for Amazon towards a more machine learning based business practice. It uses terabytes of data from the Amazon databases and helps them to eliminate all the waste of packaging that is done by predicting the user buying forecast and then identify which of the smaller product can be shipped in a small paper bag and require less packaging in order to reduce all the waste packaging. You can see one option is there in Amazon Prime membership. The Amazon Prime video serves the users with appropriate recommendation of the web series that they would love to watch. It takes the data from the user's Amazon Prime account and then collect and makes a study on all the analytics and statistics to consider recommending the web series to the user based on his previous viewing and retention history. Alexa is also a part of Amazon which uses machine learning to predict what the user will ask the information or and then based on that give a rich user experience when the users ask the question. Data and machine learning used by Amazon Alexa play a major role in the working of its smart NLP and natural language generation, which understand that human language and then reply to them appropriately according to the tone of the user and the context he is referring to it. Alexa voice services is basically a machine learning set of algorithms that power that Amazon Alexa that are present all over the world and they regularly get updated for providing the latest information. Jobs are on the rise. The expanding AI and ML job market offer a wide range of career opportunities from machine learning engineers and data scientists to AI research scientists and AI application developers. Here is a summarized list: top AI and ML job, machine learning engineering, AI engineer, data analytics, data scientist, computer vision engineer, NLP engineer, deep learning engineer, AI research scientist, business development managers, AI focus, AI product manager, AI consultant. Come to the interesting point, Ghibli Act. AI created Ghibli system network is sweeping social media with user posting, breathtaking, serial image based on Studio Ghibli's animation. OpenAI recent ChatGPT used has made it simple for user to create illustration that look like the classical style of Hayao Miyazaki's movies. That is a Japanese movies. Proton, a platform that works on data privacy and security, noted on X. From the risk of data breaches, once you share personal photos with AI, you lose control over how they are used, since those photos are then used to train AI. For instance, they could be used to generate content that may be defaming or used as a harassment. Yeah, why that's a problem? British futurist Elif Farrell Kingsley also tweeted that uploading pictures or thoughts to AI tools risks exposing metadata, location, even sensitive data, especially for kids. If it is free, you and your data are the price. If you are fine with that, great, but it is good to be aware. Okay, thanks. That's all related to why one should learn how machine learning. Okay, this is my webpage, debaccomputarscience.in/ml.php. You will get each and everything related to machine learning, like statistics for machine learning, data pre-processing for machine learning, supervised learning like classification, regression, unsupervised learning, clustering, associate rule learning, also a priori algorithm, reinforcement learning, NLP, deep learning and neural network, dimensionality reduction in machine learning, and XGBoost algorithm. Also for face recognition,